still there full of holes. Oh, that's right. Wow. Cool. Wow. That's not bad. But it's great. I'm trying to print a 3D printed drone. I'm using all these PLA elements. These are for 4 arms, and this one here no good obviously. When I came back I saw this one is actually warped. These two good ones. Unfortunately I don't have any more filament left, so I can't really reprint these. And here's the the drone body I already printed, and hopefully they're not heavy enough. This one here sealed, which is, it should be a hole for the USB. And yeah, and this one here, I'll show you something. Right, this is the front. It's like this, and here I'm not sure you can see it. That's where the wire is going to go, underneath there, and another one on top, just on this one here. And also I got an excess wiring on top there as well. So it's going to be very interesting to see how it is going to be. And here is a 3D printed motor mount, including a ESC holder. That's the reason I want to have a ESC far away as possible from the flight controller, because it does create a lot of interference, like electromagnetics interference and other dirty radio wave, you know, like radio, electromagnet, and electrostatics and all that thing. So that's why I have it as far as possible from the controller. And this one here, it flies very well. So you got a little flight controller inside. And this battery here, it flies up to 37 minutes. I clocked it, so it is very good. And according, hello, yep. And this one here, I can have bigger one. That should fly up to 45 minutes or so. And yeah. Let's start it. Well, I can't start it at the moment, and tomorrow I'm going to start it. It's nearly dark now. I have other things to do. So yeah, I'm trying to print some more stuff when it comes. I don't know when, but yeah, this is where the flight control is going to be, and I'm going to take all the thing here. The wires is coming. The wires is coming from here, go in there, or on top of this one here. It goes. The wire goes into there and there on the other side here. It goes right through the thing here. This hole through the tube. And it started to print now. It's going to take something like 12 hours or something. So and I will see what happens. Okay, they're all done. These are the case, the blood control case, because I bought this one here. It didn't have the case comes with it, so I made up a case. I hope it will fit somehow. Did I this one is going like that. Anyway, yeah, it'll fit. Push it in a bit further. See, like that. And here's a. See, this case fits. Does it go? This one? Yep. So this. See, the case fits in there perfect. So I'm going to make a hole in here. I have to mark it. It's going to be a big hole. It's about there. Okay, this is rather a strange setup. These are going to ESC out there, out here, and I'm not going to earth. I'm not going to use earth. I'm using a signal only. I'm relying on the earth that goes to the power earth. Power, negative and positive power. That's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to put a GPS just right here. Now this is the GPS wires. I just stripped out from this piece here. So let's throw that away. And GPS going to be in here. The wiring, that is. That's it. And now this one receiver, this one negative, positive, this one receiver, this one here TX, this one A, I'm not sure which one, I'll have a look anyway. These one here going to I2C, And this one is GPS signal transmitting receiver TX. That's it. And I'm going to shorten it. I know people said that this one here have to be the same length, exactly the same, you know, like it should have a certain amount of length to make the GPS, not GPS, make the magnetometer work. So I'm going to defy that. I'm going to make this one as short as possible, and it'll fit into this, and then we'll try out and see what happens. And oh yeah, wow, oh that's right. I have this wire a bit too big, these wires, so I should make it smaller, but now I have to unsolder it. So make it small. It's only just very low amperage. It's not low current. It's not much. It is from the 12 volts and going to this one here, and then comes out in 5 volts or 3 volts. And yeah, I've got to find out. I've got to get some more 5 volts from here. That goes to the camera, and that's where the camera goes to be at the front here. And yeah, what next? What else can I utilize these 5 volts? I have to find out later. This is the inside of it after I soldered everything together, and this is just a cover like that, and I marked this one here, that's the front. I'm not sure you can see it, and I'm going to plug it into the computer. There it goes, and go up. Just turn. Okay. But it's not connecting. Yeah, yep, it's connecting now. It's working. See, got GPS, barometer, magnetometer, and GPS, got no signal yet. It comes 7, 6. This is inside of the house, and HDOP is not very good, so I'm not too sure what is happening there. Now I need to calibrate everything, because I think because everything is not calibrated yet. After calibrating everything, that should be alright. So I'm going to calibrate it now. Okay, all done. Here I put the wires, signal wires, red to the right and black one to the left, and the same as this side, black one to the left. I hope it's going to work. This is the first time ever, and I haven't seen anybody done it before, so I could be wasting my time doing it, wasting my money, my time, but I'm going to try it and see if it works or not. And next I'm going to put one of these here like this, and this one here, plug T-plugs, and then plug onto the battery, and I'm going to see how it reacts, and then I'm going to put on a computer, try to see if everything is working okay. After 5 minutes, or not after, yeah, but what, 60 minutes, after 5 minutes, still no GPS signal. Outside is raining, wind, cold. I think that might be the problem. So I'm going to leave it on, and I'm going to play around with this shell, the top cover, and well, it's a blow. It has been, leave this one on for 20 minutes and still got no satellite. So unfortunately I have to move the GPS to the front, or maybe I have to put it up higher like everyone else does. So it's no good. So let's see. I brought a big one, the other drone, and see that one, see what happens. Just unplug this one here. Try this one. This is a bit big. Oh, the other way around. That's right. Here it is. Come on, man, go in. Yeah, it's in. Now I have to plug the power on. That's okay. GPS. Hang on, that hasn't been. GPS still red. I'm going to zoom so you can see. Now it's on. Now it's alright. It's blue. It is. Let's see better. Yeah. See, within 1 or 2 minutes, there's 7 satellite already. So I have to relocate a GPS on that 3D printed drone. Now I extended the GPS wires. Before they're only short, very short. Now I extended about 200 mils, and now the satellite jumped up from 0 to 6 during the day, and at night time jumped from 6 to 11 to 12, even 13. So there's a bit of improvement there. I'm going to try to find out a bit more about how much it is. Now I just curl up the wires. I'm going to put it back just right here, and hopefully I'm able to fly it tomorrow and try it out. and I'm not going to use this at the moment. This is just the video transmitter, this one, and this one here is ppm, and this one here to the camera, all set up, ready to go. And at the moment I think I'm going to use a tie, a zip tie just down there in here, and another one down here. It's a bit more tidier. And here I'm going to put a cover on, and I'll test it tomorrow. It's quite late at the moment. It's 9:30, and the satellite is not too good. It's only 9. It should be a lot more, 8. Actually, I forgot something. To use a try how the motor runs, or motors run. Plug the power. One hand is very hard. I'll put the camera down first. Here goes. Yep. Now I just connect. That's not connect. Unplug USB. Plug it back on. That should work. No, it doesn't work. Connecting. What have I done? Oh, I know. Because this one here, actually, I need to plug it into the. Come on. Good. That's it. And I'm going to try the motors. Is it motors? I'm going to try one each. That. Yep, that's the right one. And I try number 1 first. Yep, that's right. Number 2. Yep. Number 2 is okay. Number 3. Number 3 okay. And then number 4 it was okay. Yep. Yep. Before a flight test, it will be a chance that it will crash or even it fly away. So I'm not too sure. I'm a bit nervous at the moment. I don't know what's going to happen. And I hope I am able to cover it if it flies away. And there's an identical, nearly everything is the same. The motors are the same, propellers are the same, ESCs, the same ESCs, the same flight controller or controllers, and except this one here has 2 signal wires, and this one here only 1 signal wire each. And concerns me most is 2 things in this one. One is just because I'm using 1 signal wire each motor, and also I bunched up the wires, because I noticed in the past when I bunched up wires, things went weird. So this one here should, it probably it goes weird as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Satellite wise, it's still good. Still flashing green in there. Maybe take the antenna out. I'm going to put it up here, and maybe I'm using a clear resin, make a mold, just like a cone shape or half bowl shape, and then place it up here if it's going to go well, that is. And yeah, so this one here, I'm very surprised this one flew very well. And this battery here, it actually can fly up to 37 minutes, believe me or not. This battery, yeah, the craft is the same weight. Now it is the same weight. The battery is the same weight as well. So this one here can fly up to 37, and I'm going to attempt to make it up to 50 minutes of flight time, and that for put a bigger battery, or maybe I put double 2 battery altogether to make it to go fly longer. Yep. So I go outside with this. Before I do that, I have to use the mount the propellers. Okay, this is in front of my place. I'm a bit nervous, quite nervous actually. If it crashes, it doesn't matter, but it might fly away. That I have to prepare. So this is only just a temporary, everything is just a temporary. Waiting for the satellite signal to come on. It should be, I don't know, I don't see it. During the day it's hard not to see. I don't know. Anyway. So this is my modified FlySky. Just turn it on and turn it on. See, when you go down in this way it's on, and if you want to turn it off straight away, just go down and that way, off, right, and that on like that. So okay, ready to go and see what happens to it. So it's on. Hope you can see it. Oh, the other way. Yep. Motor vibration like mad. It's an old motor. Well, it doesn't fly, but you know. Just because of the motor. Oh, actually surprised me. It does fly, so I'm going to let it go and see what happens if it can hold the power on. See what happens? Nah. Yes, it does. Not very good. It's just a toilet bowl. I think because the motor vibration so bad. So I'm going to let it go again. Toilet bowl. still doing toilet bowl. Oh, that's flying. Wow. Cool. Wow. That's not bad. But it creates a toilet bowl, that's the trouble. Sorry, it's out of battery, out of power. I didn't charge it, so it does fly. But something is wrong with GPS. It's not fixed. I think because GPS is too low. So next time I'm going to put up higher. That might help. Yes, it does work. Yes, one wire each motor, a signal wire. It does work. Oh, that's great. Thank you.